Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn on caller ID on a Nokia 105. So if you're making calls and your identification isn't coming up on the other person's phone, you want to head into the menu and you want to come all the way down to the settings. Now we're in the settings, you want to come down to call settings. Then in the call settings you want to come down again to send my caller identity. You can see it's currently off. So when we go into this, you want to come up to on and select the middle button and it will be say done with a tick. And now you can see send my caller identity is currently on. So this is how to turn on caller ID on the Nokia 105. So now when you make a call, your identity will be sent to that other person. So that is how to turn on caller ID on the Nokia 105. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like button, smash the subscribe, and don't forget to check out this other playlist here where we have many other Nokia 105 tutorials.